Hello Nigerians, welcome back again to Nigerian Presidential Election Results Updates. So far today, 16 more states have been released. The results of more 16 states have been released. So without wasting time, let's just dive right into the results. So we are starting with Imo State, and in Imo State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 66,171 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 352,904 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,536 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 30,044 votes. So in Imo State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. Then from Imo State we go straight to Nasarawa State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 172,922 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 191,361 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 127,156 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 147,093 votes. So in Nasarawa State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. Then from Nasarawa State we go straight to Jigawa State. In Jigawa State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 421,390 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 1,889 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 98,234 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 386,587 votes. So in Jigawa State, Bola Tinubu of APC won. Then from Jigawa State we go straight to Oyo State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 449,884 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 99,110 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 4,095 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 182,977 votes. Then moving away from that, we go straight to Edo State, and in Edo State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 144,471 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 331,163 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 4,743 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 89,585 votes. From Edo State, we move straight to Akwa Ibom State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 160,620 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 136,283 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 7,796 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 214,012 votes. So in Akwa Ibom State, PDP Atiku Abubakar won. In a way, we move straight to Federal Capital Territory, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 90,902 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 281,717 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 4,517 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 74,194 votes. So in Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Peter Obi of Labour Party won. So moving away from FCT now, we go straight to Ebonyi State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 42,404 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 259,738 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,661 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 13,503 votes. So in Ebonyi State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. Going away from Ebonyi State, we go straight to Abia State. In Abia State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 8,914 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 327,095 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,239 votes, and Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 22,676 votes. So in Abia State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. Going away from Abia State, we move straight to Anambra State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 5,111 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 584,621 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,967 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 9,036 votes. So in Anambra State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. And moving away from Anambra State is Niger State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 375,183 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 80,452 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 21,836 votes. Then Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 284,898 votes. So in Niger State, Bola Tinubu of APC won. From Niger State, we move straight to Benue State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 310,468 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 308,372 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 4,740 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 130,081 votes. So in Benue State, Bola Tinubu of APC won. Then moving away from Benue State is Zamfara State. In Zamfara State, Bola Tinubu of APC got 298,396 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 1,660 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 4,044 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 193,978 votes. So in Zamfara State, Bola Tinubu of APC won. To move straight to Plateau State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 307,195 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 466,272 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 8,869 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 243,808 votes. From there, we move straight to Cross River State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 130,520 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 179,909 917 votes. Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,644 votes, while Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 95,425 votes. So in Cross River State, Peter Obi of Labour Party won. So from there we move to River State, where Bola Tinubu of APC got 231,593 votes. Peter Obi of Labour Party got 175,555 votes. Atiku Abubakar of PDP got 88,261 votes, while Rabiu Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1,527 votes. So in Rivers State, Bola Tinubu of APC won. At the moment, the whole results of this election is still very much controversial, with the people saying that they won't accept these results, that they were rigged, that this is not what they voted for, that the results have been rigged. Even Labour Party have called for the cancellation of the election. So what do you think about these results? Do you think that this is what should be expected considering the way people voted? Drop your comment in the comment section while we await the final declaration of the winner of the election.